my god, there's like a crab. We are stranded.
自己適合自己啱啊！聽專家。
Hi guys，
今日天氣好好啊！
我哋而家喺南站，跟住我哋而家要去邊度，媽咪？
我哋要去福建，係嘛
？So guys, we are at the station right now, and it's humongous in here. It's like an airport. So this is the biggest train station in Guangzhou, and here I am. This is how you travel. And we got our lunch in here. We are ready to go. Ooh, inside we have mochi. This is mochi matcha bread that I got yesterday for the train ride, and I'm eating it for breakfast right now. We got the wipes, and we got tissue, water, camera, cell phone, and my mom. She's got boxes. We don't know what it is. It must be like a little snack or something. And then okay, bathroom tour, train bathroom tour. Here's the water area. We have cups and then hot water. Hello, welcome to the bathroom. Love this door. So we have the mirror, sink, basic stuff. They even have a toothbrush and a comb if you need it. And then the bathroom, this bathroom is so clean. So I recommend if you need to go on to the restroom on the train. Alright, let's go back. Yay, meal time. 紅燒牛肉. Oh, okay, let's review what the meal looks like. 睇下啲咩正嘢 ，OK？ 呢度有個雞肉，哦，牛腩 ，chicken，there's beef， 跟住個辣椒醬，
係喎，有辣椒醬。
跟住 there's vegetable， 有個菜 ，and then 好多飯。係好多。覺得點啊？呢個牛肉飯
幾香味。
辣唔辣啊？
有少少。
呢個辣椒辣唔辣啊？
辣椒唔辣，辣椒唔辣，呢個有少少辣。
總體嚟講幾多分啊？1至10分。
有80分。
80，哇咁高 ！Oh my god， my mama。Alright, we've made it to Fujian 南站 ，Fujian South Railway Station. We have made it to the island. Now we're gonna head over to the hotel.
但係要行喺啲水嗰度先得，全部水。
你睇下我個相機就咁大。Okay, guys, we are on the scooter. Ah! Scared. My mommy's holding the camera. Okay, mommy, show 佢哋個風景。show 風景俾佢哋睇下。啊！如果依度有個沙灘，跟住沙灘喺依邊，跟住你喺依邊攞住。Hey guys, we are at the beach right now. Oh, not at the beach, but we're on the road. Okay, mommy, take over. So cool. Wow, we got a sample of the fried eel, I think. Got some. Alright, we got the rice. 嚟菜先，其他啲嘢冇得理。係。 homemade fish ball soup. Wow! Oh my god! This is the oyster pancake, and they use egg and then. Alrighty, this wraps up the first night. We're going to take the scooter back to the hotel. Here we are, and we have the directions here ready, and we are ready to go. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of our trip, and now we're heading to breakfast, and then we're going to see some colorful rocks. This is the most populated area on the island, and for morning you can see they still have these push stands for meat, so interesting, very interesting. And this is what we're having for breakfast. There's my mom. We got 三煎包豆漿 and 海鮮麵。Okay, what is this English name? Shipayang. Alright, we have arrived to the first destination. We found some pretty rocks. Alright, this is the road we're driving on, and then everything around here is the country, and then we have the ocean. Do you guys like this double hat fashion? Pretty awesome. That is the high-speed train rail, and that's how we enter into the island, right there.
Wow, 啲人喺度煮飯啊嗱，用柴啊禾稈草煮飯啊。
嗰啲蜘蛛網嚟㗎。
哇，嚟啦！我哋嚟呢個小鎮啊，古朴小鎮啊。
頭上面咁樣。
一個小鎮。
媽咪洗碗啦。
喂，佢冇茶水㗎。 查好了，有没有茶？
有啊有啊。That is a massive bowl. 兩都有。我打包翻去啦。
嗰啲嘢好唔好食？
你問我啊？一般。
嗰啲用豬油炒，落個豬油。
有唔有錯？
好，謝謝。
Okay, so they gave us a. How are we supposed to do this? Okay, that is magic. Mommy. You guys, I think I figured out a hack how to not choke yourself when you eat. Okay, it's choking me right now, but put it onto a button and then you won't get choked. Isn't that awesome? That claw right there is crazy. So we just entered from there to check out temperature, and now we're heading to the island closest to Taiwan. We can literally swim to Taiwan. It's only 68 nautical miles. I mean, easy, right? Spare ticket is 38 for an adult. Wild goat sighting. There are wild goats. They're so cute. Just kidding. They belong to him. Alrighty, we are on our way. Oh my god, there's like a crab. Oh my god, the wind is crazy. Can you hear the wind? I think it's raining over there and it is. Oh, the wind is crazy. Oh my god, 可以睇紅色. We are stranded. We're stranded because that little guy right there is out of battery. So now we're waiting for the awesome guy to save us, wherever he is.
时刻考虑了，破店上架新品啦！9香10足的青红酒炖猪脚。
我喺呢度開嘅唔想。
呢個裝添啊！
哇，豪仔啊！
很爽的。
好多豪仔啊！
今天你这么有自信，哇，呀，你不是？今年你们能知道？我也今年维护不了的。好啊，我不想回家。
即係都係個酸甜排骨咯。酸甜骨嚟你生活謝謝關你吃飯咋啦？下次關你。Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Tom asked the guy. She just